Students, we are doing today the activity of transpiration, which means that we have taken one polythene bag, as you can see, a transparent polythene bag here, and I have got here the canna plant. This activity I am doing with this canna plant. You can see canna flowers are also there. The canna plant is there in my balcony area, so it's easy for me to do the activity with these canna plants. So I will start the activity. What we have to do is we have to take this polythene bag. What is there in this polythene bag? I don't think there is anything in the polythene bag. As you can see clearly, the polythene bag is totally empty. There is no water, nothing inside this polythene bag. So I will put this around this and I will try to tie it here, and let's see what is the change occurring with this polythene bag. So we will watch it and I will show you what is the change and why it is happening. That also I'll make you understand. So stay tuned to the channel. Be a part of the channel. We are learning some wonderful activities, science, maths and English and so many other things related to nature from your own channel, and even healthy food items you are learning to make from the channel. So be a part of the channel, subscribe, share and don't forget to give your wonderful remarks. Stay tuned. And I have to put it around this canna plant, but with this actually the leaves are not coming so much in this polythene bag, so I can change it over to some other branch of this canna. And let's see, here there is a branch of canna in which I think I can put the leaves inside in this polythene. So I am tying the polythene here. We have to, you can see, we have to tie the polythene bag tightly in this canna stem, in which there is a leaf and some part of the bud is there. Like this we will tie it and we will observe the change which will occur inside this polythene bag after 5 or 6 hours. We will see what is the change occurring and then I will show you the changes. So stay tuned. With leaf and a part of the stem inside it like this. So if I tie it like this, what will happen? I will see what are the changes which are occurring in this polythene bag, which is kept around a plant part which is having leaf and some small flower buds were there. So in this part of the canna stem, if I kept the leaf, and the time is around 10:30 in the morning, and I will try to see it after 5 to 6 hours. That is around 4:30, or I can see it around 5 o'clock and I'll see the change. What is the change occurring in this polythene? Is there anything visible in the polythene bag actually before putting it, as I had shown you? If you want, students, let's see this polythene which we have tied in the morning, and now it's evening time. It's now 5 o'clock. So let's see what is the change. From outside itself we are able to see that there are water droplets in this polythene. As you can see, water droplets are there all around in this polythene. So let's open it. This polythene which we had tied in the morning to this plant of canna plant, in the leaf of the plant, and a part of this stem we had included. And let's see what is happening in my hand. Its water is coming. You see inside this polythene how it is looking. Yes, from the inside when I open it, you can see as I open it, there is so much water inside it, and on the leaf also I am able to see lots of water is there on the leaf. Actually, this clearly shows that water comes out of the leaves by the process of transpiration. So as you can see here, water droplets are there. So much water is there in this polythene. So it clearly indicates that water is released by these leaves by the process of transpiration. As you can see here, on the leaves also there are water droplets visible that indicate the process of transpiration is happening. And here inside this polythene also lots of water droplets are there. When we began, I had shown you that there are no water droplets present in this, but now so much water droplets are there, which indicate that transpiration process has occurred nicely in this polythene. So I hope you have understood the process of transpiration by this activity properly, and you can also do this activity easily at home. I hope students today you have understood the activity of transpiration properly. Water droplets are visible inside this polythene. As you can see, after transpiration you can see the water droplets are there in this polythene, and even water droplets are visible here on the leaves. That is because transpiration process has occurred and leaves release water droplets by the process of transpiration, and when polythene is put on it, all the water droplet got condensed in this polythene and it was not able to escape. That's why we are able to see the water drops on this polythene cover which we had put. So this activity of using the polythene on this canna plant clearly indicates that process of transpiration is done by the plants. The leaves release the water droplets in the form of water vapor, which escapes in the atmosphere, and it helps in cooling down the plants. And this is also occurs for the plant because whatever water is taken by the roots of the plant, it is released from the stomata of the leaves of the plants. So this is an activity which clearly proves that transpiration process is occurring in the plants, and you might have liked the activity, I hope. So you can give this or share this video with your friends, with your cousins and people who are there in other cities. You can share this video. You can give your like, and don't forget to give your wonderful remarks for the activity video. And you can also do this activity at home. It's a very easy activity. So I hope all of you intelligent students might have subscribed to the channel and you have pressed the bell icon, as you are getting the notifications timely and you are watching each and every video of mine. So don't miss the video which is put on everyday basis. So stay tuned to Unique Learning. Be a part of the channel. Happy learning.